Hello everyone and happy Friday. In fact, good morning, Cherry Tree. Good morning, Miss Stevenson and Mrs. House. Listening bears down there. Good morning, everyone. You have been so fantastic at subtracting, taking away, minusing this week. I've been so impressed by all your work. Well done, everybody. And well done for pushing yourselves to work so hard. I also need to say a massive well done to all of your grown-ups at home. Wow, we've got a school community of amazing teachers and everyone should be really proud of themselves. With that in mind, I thought today, as we're going to keep doing, we should have a fun Friday. It is Friday. We need to have fun. Maths is fun. We need to make sure it is fun. So let's start straight away. Hooray, it worked. Okay, we're going to start by counting back because that's what we've been doing. We've been subtracting by counting back. So let's count back. Let's count back from 30. Can you see 30 anywhere? Where will you look to find 30? I'd look in the tens because I know 30 is one of my cup of tea numbers. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Here's 30. Let's count back from 30. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. Oh, hang on a second. This isn't a number line. Where do I go now? So I got here. That's right. I have to go back to the other side. 20. So let's go back. Let's do that again one more time. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off, 0. Good job, everybody. Now, today, we are using the same vocabulary that we've been using this week. We're going to play a little game, and I'm going to get onto that in a minute. Our key vocabulary remains add, subtract, take away, minus, count back, number line, whole, pa, pa. Let's have a look at our method. So we are going to be subtracting, but it's going to be a game. But before we get onto that, let's have a look at these. So I'm going to take away, I'm going to find my 28s and I'm going to subtract 3. Where's my 28? Here it is, 28. 8 is green. Good job. Let's count back 3. Do I jump up and down on my number? No, that will squish it. I have to count back. So let's go. 28. 1, 2, 3. And my answer is 25. I think we've got this now. Let's do the next one. 27, take away 4. 7, 7 is pink. So I'm looking for my pink. Here we go. 27, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 23. Oh, we can whiz through these now. 21, take away 6. So I need to look for 21, 2 10s, 21. Here it is, 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, let's count. I'm going to actually do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 15. Excellent. Let's do one more. 30. Woof. Take away 7. Here's my 30. 3 10s. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to pause here. Does anyone think they know what the answer will be using a number bond? What goes with 7 to make a 10 number? And 30 is a 10 number. Let's see if you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 23. 3 and 7. This is heaven. Very good. See, that's why I love maths, because there's so many patterns. If you know something, you actually secretly, without knowing it, know so much else. Let's have a look at our game today. I have invented it. I think you're going to like it. Let's call it Friday Fun Blast Off. Can everyone say that together? Friday Fun Blast Off. You're going to use your math skills from this week. Our objective is still to subtract by counting back. We're going to see if you can count back correctly. If you're on the purple level, if you want to try, I think you should, try to chant, that means say, the subtraction sentence, number sentence that you're going to do. This will make sense in a minute. Can you even say it as whole and parts? And then what I want you to be also thinking about, if you're pushing yourself to the orange level, is can you explain how you know that your answer makes sense? So a really grown-up skill in maths is to look at if you do a calculation, if you work something out, like 3 plus 2, and you get the answer, I want you to start thinking about, well, does this actually make sense? Is this a logical thing? Does it make sense? Or is it a silly answer? And that's when you can spot your own mistakes. So I want you to start thinking about, does it make sense? And can you explain how? Right, let's play the game. We've got 2 rockets here and 2 number lines. The aim of the game is to get to 0 first. And if you get to 0 first, you get to blast off first. I'm going to play here, Miss Stevenson, I've written my name on the line, against Mrs. Howes. Now I'm going to pretend Mrs. Howes is here. I miss Mrs. Howes. Now, I have not got a dice in front of me, and I've tried to get the interactive dice to work on this screen, and I can't quite figure out how to do it. I think I need to ask Mr. Dooley for some help. So what I'm going to do is pretend I'm going to pretend that we're going to roll the dice to play the game. Okay? Now, I will put a link up in case you don't have any dice at home. That's fine, don't worry. I don't. I'm going to put a link up for you to click so that you know what number you're rolling. Okay, so I think Mrs. House should go first. So here's Mrs. House. She's going to start on 30. So she needs to either put a counter or a little piece of Lego, or if you haven't got that, a little bit of pasta, or you could just put a little pen lid, any small item. I would say don't draw on your number lines if you print these off, because then you can only play once and you want to be able to play lots of times because it's fun. Okay, so here's Mrs. Howes. I think she likes the colour yellow. So I'm going to pretend we've got a small yellow circle toy for Mrs. Howes. And I'm going to give me well, you know I like the colour blue. So I'm going to do, blues doesn't sharp as much. I'm going to do purple. Okay. So Mrs. Howes has gone first. Let's pretend she's rolled a 6. Good job, Mrs. Howes. We need to count back 6. We're on 30 now. Let's count back 6. 1. Remember, never jump up and down. That'll squish the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 30 take away 6 equals 24. 30, 24, 6. Now it's my go. I'm going to pretend that I roll a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 30 take away 5 equals 25. I'm using that key vocabulary. Oh, and 35, 25. Now, also, I know that I can do my orange level of challenge here because I know that it makes sense. I know that 30 take away 5 would equal 25 because I know 5 and 5, I'm alive. And that's part of, 30 is one of my tens numbers. All makes sense. Let's go again for Mrs. Howes. Let's pretend she rolls another 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think while you're doing this, it might make sense to write out your number sentences. So let's go. We were at 24. Bear with me. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to do it. 24, take away 6, I think I said, equals 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 18. 24, take away 6 equals 18. 24, 6, 18. Let's do another one. I think we can share our subtraction sentences. Okay, let's go on to the next one. I'm going to pretend I've rolled another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25. Take away 5 equals 20. This is How's go again. This time she rolled a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 18. Take away 4 equals 14. 18. 4, 14. Oh, I know that makes sense. I can do my orange challenge because I know that 4 doubled is 8. So 14 add 4 equals 18. 18 take away 4 is 14. Good job if you follow all that. This is how you play. You are going to roll the dice, count back, take it in turns to count back, and whoever gets to the 0 first, I want you to do a massive blast off. Have loads of fun. If you want to really push yourselves today, I'm also going to put these on. These number lines go up to 50, so that will be counting back from 50, which will be trickier. And if you want to have a go at that, you should do. I can't wait to see how you get on today. I'm also going to put a link up for another interactive, ridiculous but fun subtraction game for you to have a go at. Good job, mathematicians. You're amazing.